Hi there, we are making noodles with pepper cottage cheese sauce today. It's mildly spicy and very light, a comfort food for any weather. My folks love it. You'll be able to enjoy this simple recipe yourself. Are you a new visitor? Then do subscribe and click the bell icon. To make the sauce, you'll require 4 to 5 spring onions chopped finely, 1 capsicum, half yellow and half red bell peppers, all cut into square pieces, and about a tablespoon of chopped garlic. 300 grams of paneer or cottage cheese cut into cubes. Don't make them too small. Season with a bit of salt and freshly cracked pepper. To this, add half a tablespoon of Maida, all-purpose flour, and 2 tablespoons of Cornflour. Mix to coat the pieces and keep it aside. Time to shallow fry the paneer pieces. So this is the bowl that had the paneer pieces in it, and to the leftover corn flour I'll add in a bit of water. Mix it to get a slurry, and I'll use this to thicken the sauce. If there isn't any cornstarch left, then you'll have to make a fresh slurry. Turn them over. Once the paneer pieces get a light color onto them, turn off the heat and take them out. So it's because of this coating that the paneer pieces will get a nice silky texture once they go into the sauce. So I'll leave it aside. To make the sauce, take a bowl and add in 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce, a tablespoon of tomato sauce, a tablespoon of sweet chili sauce, a tablespoon of light soy sauce, and half a teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Mix it. I'll also add in some freshly cracked pepper, lots of it. You can add it according to your taste. This is pepper paneer, remember? So I'm using the leftover oil from frying the paneer. This is about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of oil. To this I'll add in the garlic. Cook it on absolutely low heat. Then add in the spring onions. I'll reserve the greens, and the bell peppers and capsicum. Season with a bit of salt. Now cook it on high heat till the peppers are slightly cooked. So you can already see that the peppers have changed color as they are slightly cooked now. I'll just add in the sauce mixture. Toss it up. Add in the paneer. Mix well. That looks beautiful. I'll just give the slurry a mix and then add some of it, a bit of water, say about half a cup. I need a slight sauce to go with the noodles, and that has thickened instantly. So I decided to add in a bit more water to get a bit more of the sauce. I'll be serving 4 portions from this. I'll finish it off with a teaspoon of vinegar and half a teaspoon of Ajinomoto or MSG. This is optional. Mix it well and turn off the heat. I'm using the thin variety of noodles that doesn't take long to cook, and I'll cook them as per the packet instructions. That's done. Let's quickly make the noodles. I'm heating 1 tablespoon of oil, and this is for 1 portion of the noodles. I'll add in about 2 to 3 cloves of chopped garlic and half a teaspoon of chili flakes, red chili flakes. Once the garlic has got a light color to it, I'll add in 1 portion of boiled noodles. Season it with a bit of salt and a bit of light soy sauce. Toss it up. A bit of Ajinomoto or MSG, that's optional. Toss it up, and that's done. To serve it, make sure that the noodles is hot and make a well. That's where the sauce will go. If you like the recipe, share it with your friends and write your feedback in the comments. Freshly cracked pepper on top and some spring onion greens. Remember to serve it hot and enjoy!